Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron without an iron box. First, let's use the power of steam from your shower. Hang your wrinkled clothes on a hanger near a hot, steamy shower. Let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The steam will naturally relax the fabric fibers. Afterward, gently smooth out any remaining wrinkles with your hands. This method is surprisingly effective for light creases. Next, grab your hair straightener for those stubborn small wrinkles. Make sure it's completely clean and free of any hair products to avoid staining your clothes. Set it to a low or medium heat. Gently press the wrinkled areas, just as you would iron, focusing on collars, cuffs, and hems. This is perfect for quick touch-ups on delicate fabrics or hard-to-reach spots. Another great steam option involves a boiling kettle or pot. Hold your wrinkled garment a safe distance above the spout, allowing the steam to penetrate the fabric. Be careful not to get too close. Alternatively, you can lay your item flat, place a slightly damp towel over the wrinkled area, and press down firmly with your hands. The moisture and pressure will help flatten the creases. Finally, for a simple overnight solution, try the mattress press. Lay your wrinkled item flat under your mattress for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. The weight will naturally smooth out many wrinkles. For a quick fix, toss damp clothes into a dryer with 2 or 3 ice cubes. Run it on a medium setting for 10 to 15 minutes. The melting ice creates steam, dewrinkling your garments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.